Hi guys, this is the Vespa Primavera 75th Anniversary Edition. Comes in metallic yellow colored with a Nuvac leather seat saddle and a 4.3-inch TFT color display. Yan. So you can see, just like the GTS, yung big brother nila, yung Super Tech. Yan yung panel. We have the smartphone icon, fuel gauge level, temperature, settings, and that emblem 75th anniversary. And for the 6/2/2021. Ito na naman yung display panel. Yan yung maganda dito eh. Yan yung binibili mo. Yung panel na yan. Look at that design. Slick, high-tech, something new for Primavera. And one thing I like about this is paano mag-shutdown ito. Just watch, look ah. Yan. Look, yung maganda dyan, yung parang nagpa-flash screen. And also lahat to LED na, headlights, signal lights, daylight, LED na lahat yan. Well, I guess that's it for now. Do check them out. Moto Italia Vespa dealer.